Good afternoon, cats and kittens, pups and pooches. It's Susie Q96 with some information on my Endo May giveaway. I made the decision last week that I am cutting out doing so many small giveaways and instead am going to just do a couple of large ones during each month. And I might throw a couple small ones in as well. But the basic format is now going to be at the end of the month. I will be doing two giveaways of larger prizes. One is for the coin collecting crowd, and the other for the metal detecting enthusiasts. That being said, we have already started signing up people for our Endo May giveaway. I will be signing people up through various live streams, including my regular streams, some pop-ups, and a comment video. We're going to be playing games and different things to get people qualified to win one of the gifts on the channel. I'm going to give you the basic rules here. First of all, YouTube doesn't have anything to do with the outcomes or anything of these videos, but the videos do, the giveaway does have to follow their rules. In addition to their community standards and rules, my rules are winners must be 18 years or older, residents of the United States or Canada. You must be a subscriber to my channel, and I must be able to verify that. So you need to have your subscription set public for that purpose. You can't be hiding that you are a subscriber to my channel. No more than 5 entries per subscriber and only 1 per stream or promotion. And what that means is, like, if you're in one of my streams and I have a duck race and I have a cats versus dogs game, you cannot qualify through both of them. You can only qualify once in that stream, and a total of 5 for the entire sign up period. The one exception to that is if I give away what I call an exempt entry, which means that one doesn't count towards your 5. It's just a freebie, and it's something that I do in the cats versus dog game when a joker or the crazy cat lady get drawn. So the prizes for my giveaways will now be mailed out only once a month, on or about the 4th of the month, and that's because that's when I get my check. Prize winners will be announced the last Wednesday of each month, and anyone who wins a gift on my channel needs to notify me within 5 days to claim that gift, because I'm not going to have room for stuff to be sitting around on my desk all the time. And things can get lost that way. So if you don't claim them, they go back in the giveaway box. So that's basically the rundown. I will let you know a little closer to the actual giveaway what the prizes are going to be. I've got a couple things selected, but one of them isn't here yet, so I don't want to announce that as being a prize and then it not show up. So, but let's just say they will be some lovely gifts, and I think you will all enjoy them. This is also a comment video. That's going to be one of the ways you can get qualified if you haven't gotten in any of the other ways during my streams or my pop-ups. So far, we have 33 entries. Some of them are people that have more than one, but the bulk of them are single entries at this point. So let's try and get signed up there. We're going to have some fun, and I think you'll enjoy the prizes. And if you would like to donate something to be given away during the Endo May giveaway, you may send that item to It's Susie Q96, P.O. Box 96, Galax, Galax, like X-Lax, Virginia 24333. Good luck, everybody. We hope somebody's real happy with their prizes. Bye-bye.